The BMW F30 models use a plastic bumper cover over a rigid strut-supported aluminum bumper. This cover is painted to match your vehicle and is frequently scratched and damaged. The bumper cover can be replaced quite easily. You can replace the bumper covers with a factory part or an aftermarket one if you want to upgrade the look of your F30. Remember to plan to have it painted before you install it, so leave yourself extra time. Working at the top of the radiator support, peel off the hood seal and remove, red arrow. While still working at the top of the radiator support, remove the 8 T25 torque fasteners, red arrows. Unclip the retaining clips, red arrow, and pull the top of the bumper cover away from the radiator support. Working at the bottom of the bumper, remove the 4 8mm fasteners as indicated by the red arrows. Working at the bottom corners of the bumper, remove the 3 8mm fasteners, red arrows. Then remove the 2 plastic rivets, blue arrows. Pull the center pin out, then remove the rivet. Right side is shown, repeat the steps for the opposite side of the vehicle. Working in the wheel well, remove the 3 8mm fasteners, red arrows. Right side shown, again repeat the steps for the opposite side of the vehicle. Then, in the top of the wheel well, pull back the wheel well liner to expose 2 10mm fasteners. Working inside the bumper from below, remove the 2 10mm fasteners, red arrows. Again, right side shown, repeat the steps for the opposite side. Working at the corner of the bumper, press the release tab, red arrows, and unplug the fog light electrical connector. Next, unclip the harness junction from the bumper cover. Release the tabs and slide it off, blue arrow. Then press the release tabs and unplug the connector, insert. Unclip the front corners of the bumper by pulling down in the direction of the red arrow. The right side is shown. Repeat this step for the left side. Place tape on the fenders to prevent scratches, blue arrow. With all the fasteners removed from the front bumper, pull the front corner away from the headlights to detach. Next, with help from a friend, slide the bumper off the supports and remove. When removing, be careful not to scratch the bumper cover or snag any previously disconnected items. Once removed, you can detach the parking sensors and replace the wiring harness by unclipping it if needed, as shown in the insert box. To install the front bumper, start by partially installing the bumper cover while leaving enough space to access the electrical connectors. Reconnect all disconnected items, then slide the bumper cover and align it. Install all the removed fasteners and check the alignment of the bumper to the body. To replace the bumper support, remove the 2 13mm fasteners, red arrows, on each side of the support, blue arrows. Slide the bumper support off, red arrow to remove. Reverse steps to reinstall. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.